Welcome to this lesson where we talk about angle relationships and triangles, and the biggest relationship of them all is talking about the sum of the angle measures of a triangle. It is 180 degrees. Probably something you have heard before, where if we add all three angles, it adds up to 180 degrees. So that is our math dictionary. If you need to pause it to copy this down, please do so now. Example 1. We are given that angle B is 116 and angle C is 32 degrees, and we are trying to find the measure of angle A. So if we take the measure of angle A, add it with 116, add it with 32, that's angle B and angle C, we get 180 degrees. So to solve for angle A, let's add 116 and 32 to give us 148. And to solve for A, I'm going to subtract 148 on both sides, so that the measure of angle A is going to equal 180 minus 148, which gives us 32 degrees. And since both these angles are the same, we know that's an isosceles triangle. Example 2. We want to find the value of x. Here's where. And what is the measure of angle A? So we got two things we're trying to solve for. So to find the value of x, we're going to use our same principle, adding all three angles. So if we add 2x plus 110 plus 22, we add it all together, we should get 180. So 110 plus 22 is 132. Subtract 132 on both sides, and we get 2x equals, we gotta have 180 minus 132, gives us 48. Divide by 2, and we get x equals 24 degrees. So if x is 24, angle A is 2 times x. So if I replace it, 2 times 24, the measure of angle A equals 48 degrees. So sometimes in these problems they'll ask you to solve for x and find the angle measure, where you have to replace it. Replace what you found for x in for that angle. Example 3, here's a little harder example. We have a little bit more. We want to find angle A and angle C. We don't know them. We're going to use our same principle of adding these up and set them equal to 180. So 3x plus 2 plus angle B is 87 plus 2x minus 7 is angle C is going to equal 180. So now this is just a really long example where we can combine our like terms. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then I'm going to say 2 plus 87 is 89, then minus 87 is going to give me plus 82. So we're going to subtract 82 on both sides. We get 5x equals 98. And 98 divided by 5, that's not going to be very nice to us. That's going to give us an x value of 19.6. So to find angle A, I'm going to use a green pen. So angle A is 3x plus 2. So angle A is going to be 3 times 19.6 plus 2. And that will give us angle A is 60.8 degrees. Angle C is going to be 2 times 19.6 minus 7. So 2 times 19.6 will give us 32.2 degrees.